Welcome! In this quiz, you'll fix 20 common English mistakes. You have 3 seconds to choose the correct sentence. Let's start. Choose A, B, or C. After 3 seconds, I'll show the correct answer and a quick tip. A. I am agree. B. I agree. C. I'm agreeing. Correct answer is B. I agree. I agree. Agree is a verb. Don't say I am agree. A. I have 30 years. B. I'm 30 years. C. I am 30 years old. Correct answer is C. I am 30 years old. I am 30 years old. In English, we say, I am 30 years old, not I have 30 years. A. She doesn't like coffee. B. She don't like coffee. C. She doesn't likes coffee. Correct answer is A. She doesn't like coffee. She doesn't like coffee. Third person singular, doesn't plus base verb. A. He didn't went yesterday. B. He didn't go yesterday. C. He don't go yesterday. Correct answer is B. He didn't go yesterday. He didn't go yesterday. After didn't, use the base form. Go, not went. A. I didn't see it. B. I didn't saw it. C. I don't saw it. Correct answer is A. I didn't see it. I didn't see it. Use didn't plus base verb. A. I live here since 2020. B. I have lived here since 2020. C. I am living here since 2020. Correct answer is B. I have lived here since 2020. Use present perfect with since plus starting point. A. I have been here for 2 hours. B. I am here since 2 hours. C. I am here for 2 hours. Correct answer is A. I have been here for 2 hours. Use for plus duration with have been. A. I work here since 5 years. B. I'm working here since 5 years. C. I've been working here for 5 years. Correct answer is C. I've been working here for 5 years. For plus a period of time. Don't say since 5 years. A. She is married with him. B. She married with him. C. She is married to him. Correct answer is C. She is married to him. She is married to him. The correct preposition is married to. A. We discussed about the problem. B. We discuss the problem. C. We discuss about the problem. Correct answer is B. We discuss the problem. Discuss does not need about. A. Can you explain me this? B. Can you explain this to me? C. Can you explain to me this? Correct answer is B. Can you explain this to me? Can you explain this to me? Common pattern. Explain plus thing plus to plus person. A. She suggested that I go. B. She suggested me to go. C. She suggested me going. Correct answer is A. She suggested that I go. Don't say suggest me to. Use suggest that or suggest plus ing without me. A. He said me that. B. He told me that. C. He said to me that. Correct answer is B. He told me that. He told me that. Tell plus person. Say plus something, not say me. A. I said him the truth. B. I told to him the truth. C. I told him the truth. Correct answer is C. I told him the truth. I told him the truth. Tell plus person no to told him. A. I'm interested in music. B. I'm interested in music. C. I'm interested on music. Correct answer is B. I'm interested in music. I'm interested in music. Interested describes feelings. Interesting describes things. Also, interested in. A. This is more better. B. This is better. C. This is the better. Correct answer is B. This is better. This is better. Don't double comparatives. Not more better. A. The most fastest way. B. The more fast way. C. The fastest way. Correct answer is C. The fastest way. The fastest way. Don't double superlatives. Not most fastest. A. I have much friends. B. I have many friends. C. I have a lot friends. Correct answer is B. I have many friends. I have many friends. Use many with countable nouns like friends. A. There are many people here. B. There is many people here. C. There are much people here. Correct answer is A. There are many people here. There are many people here. There are for plural. A. I need an information. B. I need some information. C. I need informations. Correct answer is B. I need some information. I need some information. Information is uncountable. How many did you get right? Comment your score out of 40. Subscribe for more English quizzes. See you next time.